Photoshop photocopy effect in Adobe Photoshop CC free tutorial. Alright, once you have the image loaded in Adobe Photoshop CC, you have this image and you have this one. Basically, we're going to add a copy. Click Ctrl J on your keyboard, and basically I'm just going to click the lock layer right here. Alright, you want to go to filter and you want to go into filter gallery. And the first step is you want to add a grain effect. If you don't know where to find them, then go under to here and texture, and then it's right here. And you can mess around with the settings or the intensity. Notice that it changes like so, dragging it to the right. That looks pretty good, pretty decent. And then contrast just basically adds, alright, that looks actually pretty good. Then the next one right here is we're going to call reticulation. You can find it under sketch. It's right next to stamp. It's to the left of reticulation. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, bro. Alright, and then the density right here, you can drag this to the right. See, that's kind of what it looks like. I don't like it too much. Let's say 10. Foreground level, it just goes like that. Makes it more dark, more contrasty. Kind of looks scary like a horror movie, like It. Then in the background, drag it to the right. Doesn't really notice too much of a difference, so we'll keep it at like 11 or 12. Okay, this actually looks pretty good when you click OK. And then now this is what this looks like. So that was the before. Alright, that's not too bad. But really quick, I'm going to go under to here on the bottom right hand screen. And then this little circle, click this gradient map, and then notice how it makes the image a little bit darker, but that's okay. We're going to go to properties, we're going to click this right here, and it's covering this up, and then click the bottom right arrow right here, and as you can see, click color, and then I'm going to make this color red. So as you can see, it make the background red, and then click OK. And then you can click this right here, reverse, and it adds a pretty cool like demon scare looking thing. And you can even go under here and change the opacity to say like 50, maybe slightly like 80. Okay, that looks pretty good. Last but not least, I'm going to drag a black background or an image, and then I'm just going to adjust it so it fits our final subject. This is basically just going to add a quick black punch or a touch, you can say, and then click the check mark right here. And then right here, once it's still selected, we're going to click on overlay, and then we're going to change the opacity to say like 50%. Then boom, there you have it. Here is the before, and there is the after. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.